Alright, hey guys, we are in the back now. We're done driving. Then we just crawl onto the platform. Alright. Let me take off my helmet. So we are in the back. We have a flag, then we have lights, pretty bright. We have gasoline, we have storage units, ammo crates, MREs, more ammo crates, netting, more netting, backpacks, more backpacks, and grenade holders, and we also have the Vietnam War vest. But nobody's here at the car show yet, as you can see. But right now we're about to eat our MREs, also known as McDonald's. So I'm gonna have to cut to the next part. Bye.